With GAT+, admins can easily remove all phone numbers for their domain users in bulk. In this video, we'll show you how. To begin, navigate to the Users Audit section of GAT+. In this example, I'll be removing the phone number for one specific user. From there, we need to click on the Export Data button. Now select Export to Google Sheet from the list. Do not click on the option labeled Visible Columns, as this option is not editable. Once exported, you will see a pop-up in the top right corner. Click the link and you'll be taken to the spreadsheet. In the spreadsheet, navigate to the Phones column and delete the entries that are not required. Once done, close down the spreadsheet and go back to the GAT+ console where we left off. To implement the changes, we must re-import the spreadsheet. Click on the Import Data button. You'll be able to see the spreadsheet we just created and modified. Click on the eye icon to preview the changes or click the check mark to proceed. Before accepting, make sure that the changes shown here are correct. Once ready, click the Accept button. Now that the changes have been imported, the phone numbers should be removed. That covers this GAT+ how-to. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this GAT Labs video, please like and subscribe and ring the bell for regular updates. You can also get a free 15-day trial of GAT+ by following the link in the description.